What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Don to be back again with another little video, and today I'm going to be telling y'all 5 ways you can make money as a 15-year-old or a teen anyway. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe before the video start, and let's get right into it. So the first way you can make money as a teen is by downloading these 5 apps. First one, Zen, Fetch Rewards, Current Music, Swagbucks, and Zap. So, the first one, Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is basically like you use the camera on Fetch Rewards to scan receipts. Like if you go to like a grocery store or something, and like you scan a receipt basically, and they give you points for that receipt. So say if you go like to Walgreens, you scan a Walgreens receipt, they give you 25 points. The more points you rack up, the more points you can use to spend for like gift cards and stuff like that. Second app, Current Music. Current Music is basically an app where you listen to music and you get paid for listening to music basically. So you can pick any station you want. You can pick trap, gospel, R&B, rap life, anything you want, and you basically get paid for listening to music. You use those points on there, use those points on that app to buy gift cards and stuff like that too. So it's like, say you listen to a song, it gives you 7 points for that. The more songs you listen to, you can get points from listening to music on that app, which is like not even listening to it really. Get points from having your phone off. You just have to like have your volume like 1 notch, and it'll still count for you listening to the music. The third app is Zen. Zen is basically an app where you watch videos such as TikTok videos or something like that, and you get points for listening. For watching those videos. So to get points for that, you gotta like basically like interact with the videos. So like tap like the videos, comments on the videos and stuff. And yeah, that app is real simple to use. It's just like TikTok, just without, you know, like the TikTok creators. Zap. Zap is the fourth app. I don't know too much about Zap. I just know that Zap is an app that you use to get money at a young age, and y'all can look that up for yourself on your own because too much to explain. But yeah, the fifth app is basically the same thing as Fetch Rewards. You scan receipts, and you get points for scanning those receipts too. Is that Swagbucks, you get like better stores such as like Best Buy, Foot Locker, and Amazon and stuff. But yeah, it's the same thing as Fetch Rewards. It's a different app. In case you don't like Fetch Rewards, you can use that. That is the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share to any and everyone of your friends, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Tune in for the next video, and let me know in the comment section if you want more of these videos or more apps to use. These are apps that I just I tried a couple of them out, and I was looking this up on YouTube too. So for other kids like me who wanted to make money, like little side money on their own, yeah. So